She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about a feature.
What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you some of my favorite Pinterest inspired looks. So I went on Pinterest, I found a couple of really cute looks, and I realized a lot of the individual pieces in the looks I could find in my wardrobe pretty easily. They're basic pieces, but to get put together looked really stylish. So I found a couple of these Pinterest outfits that I recreated and would love to share with you. So here we go. Pinterest look number one. So what I love about a lot of these looks is you really don't have to copy it directly. I tried to in these, but you can also just use them for inspiration. So for my outfit, I got an oversized tan blazer, the gold jewelry, a white tank top, and black leather pants. And these are all just items I had in my closet to begin with. But like other outfits in this video, you can really just switch it up. You can use kind of any oversized black blazer and the leather pants, and then like a cream tank top, a black tank top. There's lots of ways you can switch it up. Wow, what a kick. Okay, so the next look incorporates something that I think is really trendy, and that is sweater vests. So I wore this cream sweater vest with a black turtleneck underneath and then blue paper bag jeans that I think I got for 20 bucks from Zara. Really cute. You can wear really any type of jeans with this and it'll all look pretty stylish. Okay, so the next look is definitely my style. It's really cute, but also super cozy. I paired a neutral color skirt with the same black turtleneck. So a lot of these pieces are also reusable. And then just a cream oversized sweater. It's really comfy. I also paired it with tights okay, not that picture, but in real life I paired it with tights, and it's pretty warm for a nice, cute winter look too. Similar to the first outfit, I accessorized with a lot of gold jewelry and gold earrings. Definitely a Pinterest staple, which you can see in this next look. This look I used a different blazer, also my mom's, so a lot of these are just older blazers, so you can definitely get these at the thrift store. Same black turtleneck, and then just a different pair of jeans with a brown or black belt, brown belt with some gold detailing to match the jewelry. Next and final outfit is this black mini dress paired with a sweatshirt, a super cozy look that I definitely wouldn't have tried. I usually wear black mini dresses if I'm going to wear a shirt underneath. It's usually just a long sleeve tight shirt rather than an actual sweater, so I thought this was definitely a unique perspective on a typical mini dress long sleeve shirt combo, and I love it. I think I could have gone for a lighter pair of tights and looked a little closer to the picture, but it still looks really cute. So that was it for the video. Let me know below in the comments if you had a favorite, or if you have any recommendations for video ideas or recommendations of cute Pinterest outfits to recreate. I'm thinking of doing a part 2, so let me know. I'll see you guys next week.